Hello, my name is Andrea Burke. I am the Orchestra and Choral Director at Benford Middle School. In this lesson, we will learn how to use SightReadingFactory.com, which will help you practice your sight reading and sight singing skills at home. To complete this lesson, you should know how to count rhythms that use whole, half, and quarter notes and rest, and be familiar with a concert C major scale and C major scale, solfege, and or scale degrees. Student Learning Objective, or SLO. The student can successfully log on to SightReadingFactory.com and set parameters for individual practice at home. The standard of learning is MIB 18 or HIB 18 or MCB 1 or HCB 1, which says the student will sight read music of varying styles and levels of difficulty in accordance with Vibota levels 0 and 1. Sight Reading Factory is a website used by musicians of all levels and abilities to help strengthen their sight reading or sight singing skills. Sight singing and sight reading means to read or perform music without previous preparation or study. Part 1, sign up, log on, www.sightreadingfactory.com. At this point, you would like to, if you're going to follow along on a different computer, or if you are at home without following this tutorial, you would log on to sightreadingfactory.com and you would click on try it for free. You don't need to subscribe to this website. They offer a free trial. Once you click on, you can see there are different options for you, but we're going to use the ensemble today. And we're going to start with the concert band unison. So you will click on concert band unison. We're going to use level 1. There are multiple levels, but level 1 is the easiest, or the beginner level. Once you clicked on level 1, click OK, and then you're going to click on 4/4 time signature. The next thing you would click on is major, for the type of scale we'll be using, and we're using the C major scale. And then you would click on start free play. We're going to do the same for orchestra. So if I'm an orchestra student, this is what I would do. Again, go to sightreadingfactory.com, click on try it for free, click on ensemble, and now I'll scroll down until I see string orchestra unison, and I'll click on string orchestra unison, and then level 1 again. Next. And after clicking on level 1 and next, I will click on 4/4 time signature. Again, 4 beats in a measure. The quarter note receives a beat, C major. And now we're going to do the same thing for chorus. Again, log on to www.sightreadingfactory.com. Ensemble, chorus, and now again level 1. And now we're going to pick 4/4 as our time signature. You can choose any time signature you'd like, but we're just going to keep it at 4/4 for this tutorial. You can pick again C major and then free play. At this point, we're going to learn how to customize our sight reading practice. This is just where we can make more adjustments to our sight reading practice. So if I want to pick what kind of note durations I have, but again, for this example, we're gonna use the string orchestra. We won't pick a level this time, 1 through 6, we'll pick custom. So you wanna click on custom and then click next. After you click next, you can now pick which type of notes you would like to have in your excerpt. And we're going to pick whole, half, and quarter notes and a quarter rest. And the rhythm difficulty we're going to keep at easy. No slurs, staccatos, accents, syncopated rhythms, or ties. So then we'll just click next. After after this, you'll see the screen where it says pitches. And now we can determine which pitches we want exactly in our excerpt. So we're going, because we're in the key of C, we're going to pick a C, D, and E. So those are the only three pitches. So do, re, mi, or C, D, and E. Or D, E, and F sharp if you are a band student with a transposable instrument. We don't want any leaps. So we're going to pick no leaps greater than a second, which means everything will move in step order. No, we won't make any other changes except for we want our excerpt to start on the root, meaning we want it to start on scale degree 1, or we want it to start on do. And now you're going to click next. Again, we would like to keep it at 4/4 time signature, and we are using C major scale, or the C major key. And now you're going to click free play. At this point, it's time to practice on your own. So you would do everything that you've done, but you would do it for your instrument part if you were practicing alone. But right now, we are practicing together on this site, and if you're following along on a separate computer, you would actually have a different excerpt show up right now. But I would like for you to use this excerpt that is here in front of you on the screen. You have about 40 seconds now to look at this excerpt and try to work through it either on your instrument or using your voice. Again, using solfege, scale degrees, or your instrument. Remember, we are in concert C. Now it's time to check for understanding or to see how well you got it. You can now play or sing along. Nice job. We're going to try it one more time. You've got it. Great job. We learned how to log on, set parameters, and customize a practice session for band, chorus, and orchestra students on sightreadingfactory.com. It has been great learning with you today. This concludes our lesson, but remember to practice sight reading and sight singing daily.